How to fix Facebook live comments are not showing. So if you want to fix the Facebook live comments are not showing, then first you need to open up your Facebook. Once you're here on the Facebook, now you just need to simply go with live, and on the bottom left side of your live you will have arrow, right? Arrow shaped icon. If you simply tap on it, then you will have your comments, your likes and everything. But if you don't have that option, then no problem. You can go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, go with help and support, and then tap on report a problem and tap on continue to report a problem, and it will start creating a report page. And you can tap on include or don't include and scroll down and choose an option of live, and here you need to describe the issue. So you need to write that hello Facebook team, I'm not being able to see the live comments on my live, so it's not showing up, please help me with that issue. And once you've written or described your issue, you can simply upload any screenshots if you have by simply tapping on upload from phone, and you will be able to upload something, and go with the arrow which is send, which is on the upper right, and once you've sent, your problem might be fixed. So that's the only way to fix your Facebook live comments are not showing on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.